Provision 3. Allah, the Exalted, is the creator and allocator of provision to the entire creation, which they need, to preserve their physical and spiritual constitutions. In fact, according to a narration found in Sahih Muslim, number 6748, the provision of the entire creation was allocated over 50,000 years before the creation of the heavens and the earth. The one who understands this divine name will rely on Allah, the Exalted, to provide for them as He has planned for them before they were created. They will prove this reliance by striving to gain lawful provision, as commanded by Allah, the Exalted, while refraining from anything which is unlawful and doubtful. It is important to note that as people require physical provision in the form of food and drink, similarly, the soul of a Muslim requires provision also. This provision strengthens it and leads it to eternal bliss. This provision is in the form of sincere obedience to Allah, the Exalted, which involves fulfilling His commands, refraining from His prohibitions, and by facing destiny with patience. The foundation of all this is gaining and acting on Islamic knowledge. Therefore, Muslims should strive to gain this important provision of the soul, as well as provision for their physical body. Two elements should be remembered in this respect. Do not exert unlawful and unnecessary efforts in gaining one's guaranteed provision. And do not misuse or waste the provision one gains. A Muslim should act on this divine name by fulfilling their duty by providing for their dependents according to the teachings of Islam. This includes providing them with both physical and spiritual provision through education. A Muslim should also do the same for the needy according to their capacity, without fearing poverty for themselves. They should remember the narration found in Sunan Abu Dawood, number 4893, which advises that Allah, the Exalted, will fulfill the needs of the Muslim who takes care of the needs of others. Over 400 free ebooks, audiobooks, infographics, podcasts and blogs available on our website, www.shakepod.com.